Tara, and welcome to TaraBites, our new IT-themed cooking show. And we're PDQ, so it's going to be ridiculously easy and pretty damn quick. So in this episode 1, it's going to be our Thanksgiving Day extravaganza. So you're getting invited to those ridiculous holiday parties, right? You don't want to go. I know you don't want to go. So you got to go. You got to bring some stuff. I'm here to help you. We're going to make really super easy stuff that's good, but not too good. Because let's face it, you don't want to be asked back. And you certainly don't want anyone to ask you what you made because they'll want you to make it again. Okay, so first thing we're going to make, they're IT themed. Okay, so we're going to make pumpkin splice platter. Yeah, that's right. Pumpkin splice platter. Get it? These are so easy. So let's start with these. So I'm going to get my pie. Where's my pie? Already lost. Oh, it's right here. Okay, here's my pie. It's so easy. Go to Costco because they're huge and you can make a whole bunch. I'm going to take this because I just have this because I grabbed it from the barista. And all you do is you stick it in the middle of the pie, okay? And then you're just going to push down. And you can use a cookie cutter. You can use a jar. You can use whatever you want. And this pie is ridiculously thick for whatever reason. Okay, but I'm going to pretend like this comes out really easily, but it's not going to. I already know this, but pretend like it does, okay? It just looks like this, but it's magic. So we're already done. And oh my gosh, look, oh, they're so pretty. I just took some whipped cream, put it on top, put a little pumpkin pie spice, and I made my pumpkin pie splice platter. They're just little single serves, right? Delicious, easy, fast. And if someone asks you what pumpkin splice stands for, you can bore them to death with a big description on networking and they'll stay away from you. So bonus. Okay, so easy, right? You can do it. Next one, there is cooking involved. So I have my air fryer over here. I'm not gonna turn it on because it's really loud and it messes up the sound. So pretend it's on, okay? Pretend. Now, I'm gonna grab just crescent rolls. Couldn't be easier. And I'm not gonna open them because, quite frankly, it scares me. When you push on this, then it explodes. Terrifying. But I have it open right here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna squish it out, right? Make sure it's all together. And if you can find the full sheets, that works better. Then this is just a kielbasa. Doesn't matter, whatever you wanna get, same. Now, we're just gonna wrap them up. But I like cheese. Even though I shouldn't have cheese, it's delicious. So whatever kind of cheese you want, just sprinkle it on here. Sharp cheese is probably gonna be the best with the kielbasa, I would imagine, but you do you, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. It's not gonna be pretty, but we don't care because it's delicious. Now, you're just gonna put this cute little blanket on it. Come on, baby, get in your little blanket. Okay, and then you're gonna roll it up. And then let's just tuck it in. Get in there, baby. This one's not going to be very good. And I'm just going to round it just like this, okay? It does not have to be perfect because guess what? We're going to cut it up here in a second. So we don't really care. Unless you're going to like your mother-in-law's house and then do an extra good job because she's going to judge you. We're not going to lie, she is. Okay, make sure he's all tucked in there. Try not to have any holes and I can go like this. Get them all nice and tight. Now, this is key. Everything but the bagel seasoning. So I'm just gonna sprinkle him just like this, okay? And it's okay if you make a mess because that's what we want. Because I'm just gonna roll it all over the top of it. Because we want as much of this as we possibly can. Because it is what makes it delicious, okay? So pretend, let's pretend I got this perfect, okay? Oh, it looks perfect, right? Now I'm gonna take my butcher knife and I'm gonna do like an inch. Doesn't really matter. You can be 1/4 inch, but you want it pretty thick, right? Because you want a good dough to sausage ratio for our nested sausage loops. The last piece is going to be kind of wonky, so I just kind of go like this. Okay, now get your air fryer. You've already preheated it. These little liners, disposable liners, they're like the greatest thing in the history of the world. I would highly encourage you to buy them. Then you don't have to clean your air fryer every 5 seconds. You just get a new little liner. It's magic. Okay, so separate them out so you have some nice space in there. So just like that. Then I'm gonna put it back in my air fryer. So I cook these at like 375, 380 for like 7-8 minutes. And then they look like this. Aren't they so cute? Super easy, really good. You put some mustard on there, some Dijon mustard, whatever you want. Maybe some wasabi. Ooh, that'd be good, huh? Yeah. Okay, so easy, right? Either of these things, how long did that take us? 5 minutes to prepare? Easy. Pretty damn quick, just like PDQ. Okay, I would love to hear your ideas. If you have recipes that you want us to make, please hit me up. Let's make them. Like and subscribe, and I'll make some more videos. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys.
But wait, there's more. Bonus bite.
Oh, wait, you guys, I forgot. I've got a bonus bite. I didn't tell you. Your pie is going to be a hot mess, so let's use it, right? So this pie, I'm just going to smash it up just like this, okay? We're going to make bonus pumpkin bites. Little sweet treat for later when you're watching the game, not talking to people, hiding like you do. Okay, so I'm just gonna smash it up like that. And now it's gonna get kind of gross, but just bear with me. And yes, I wash my hands. Okay, I'm just gonna get right in here. I'm gonna make a congealed mess. Oh, it's so gross. But it's okay because it's gonna be delicious. Okay. Now we're gonna pretend that I have lots of time and I'm doing this properly. So ideally, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna make little balls. I'm not focusing on the fact that my hands are disgusting. I'm just kind of blocking it out right now. My OCD is hurting a lot, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna get through this together. It's for art. It's Thanksgiving. Let's pretend like this is perfect, okay? Now, this is chocolate. I just melted some Hershey bars, 30 seconds stir, another 30 seconds stir, 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 add some coconut oil, add some milk, whatever you want. This is coconut, fresh coconut. These are Cocoa Puffs, no, Reese's Cocoa Puffs that I smashed up, but whatever you want, okay? Now it's gonna go into the bowl. Oh, my hands are killing me. It's okay though, I can do it. Okay, once you get your chocolate, and don't forget, in an ideal world, I'm gonna make my balls, I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 30 minutes, an hour, then I'm gonna come back to this step, but no one has time for that. Okay, chocolate, now, roll, roll, roll. Just roll it around. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. Okay, maybe I want to do double. Yeah, I do. I want all kinds of flavor. It's all coming together. And then I would put it on my little plate, put a toothpick in it, back in the freezer, take it to Grandma's. They're gonna be delicious.
Oh.
Where'd my pumpkin spice platter go, you guys?